Silverado time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1992 model year Chevrolet Silverado K1500 regular cab long box. Nice looking 4x4. I believe this color was considered gray blue metallic, not 100%, but the medium blue metallic with the ultra silver. 5.7 liter tried and true V8 underneath the hood that is paired with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. FYI, the fan blows. As far as heat and AC, I've not had the compressor kick on and off on this one. It appears everything is there. We need to be recharged. There's a little TLC. Check out the front grille, fascia, front bumper. You can see it has the bug shield added. Very clean truck, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. A little over 81,000 miles on it. You want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, undersides, interior, still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, the phone number you can call us, 507-386-1726. Few little touch-up spots where the silver was touched up. As you can see, one here. I'll point out there's one in the driver's side I noticed, but take a look around these wheel wells. You know, when these trucks start to rot, get some rust, that's where it's at. Look how clean that is. Still has the original protective coating when it came from the factory back in '92. And looks wise, some people don't like those flaps on there, but you know what? It protects the bottom of these trucks, no doubt about that. Cab corners, take a look at that. And again, that protective coating, keep from chipping up and then getting the rust to start. Come around, look at this back wheel well. Again, same thing back here with the flap, and look how it's protected. Speaking of being protected, Duraliner, bed liner was installed. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the receiver on the back of this. How many times you see these rear bumper pads scuffed, scraped up, ripped, tore. I like to call this a Sunday truck. Doesn't look like it was abused, let's put it that way. Also has bed rail protectors up here with tie downs, also a nice touch. And again, you can check out the still pictures. See this top to bottom, inside and out. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video. It's going to take you right there. And look at how straight that is. Tell this has not had a ton of body work to fix things either. Take a look down the driver's side. Plenty of tread left on the tires too. Nice radials. Check out the cab corner once again. Here was one spot that I mentioned, and also there's a little touch up right there. And again, done nicely. It's not very easy to see. So I'm going to give you a fair shake of how this truck is represented in person. Stock interior, headliner, looking good. Cloth bench seat. Door panels, of course, the Silverado's going to be nicely loaded. Power windows, power locks, tilt cruise. You take a look at this, as you can see, a blue two-tone interior. Not much for wear, rips, tears, holes, anything like that. I do have pictures underneath the floor mats with the carpeting and everything, so check those out in the still pictures. It's a nice shape, not hiding anything there. Take a look at the top of the dash. Also appears this truck was stored indoors, no doubt about that. All right, there's your exact miles, 81,719. So I'd fire this up. FYI, wipers work. Now, the one thing you do notice on quite a few of these, this head unit for the radio was not the most reliable. So what you'd see people do, put a nice aftermarket radio where the equalizer was, and this one Works fine. And again, see how nice a shape the dash is in. And again, the blower and everything works here. I just not have had the compressor kick on and off. So that control unit and everything works there also. Of course, 4x4 lever on the floor. Slip around to the back of this, you can hear it run. No surprises there either. What you'd expect, a 92 5.7 liter Sound Light. Good looking truck. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Just pop the hood, check out the engine bay, see how it looks underneath there. I think it's going to be pretty clean.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here's that engine bay. Once again, power steering, power brakes, and AC. Like I said, it appears all the components are here. It needs to be charged. A little pair with that. You're ready to go. Good sounding engine. But you don't hear. Here's exhaust leak, lifters, kicks, groans, howls, squeals, nothing like that. Sounding good. 1992 Chevrolet K1500 Silverado. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call or email.